Piazza Leone, a charming square often adorned with festive decorations, features a beautifully decorated Christmas tree each holiday season. The tree serves as a focal point for community gatherings and celebrations, radiating holiday cheer with its twinkling lights and ornaments. Local events, such as caroling and markets, often take place around the tree, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere for residents and visitors alike. The Christmas tree in Piazza Leone symbolizes unity and the joy of the holiday spirit, making it a beloved seasonal landmark.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh Christmas tree.